Sabi ng asawa ko, may pupuntahan daw kami. Ngayon, binibitin niya ako. Sabi niya, sa susunod na linggo na lang daw. Kaso, nasabi na niya na pupuntahan namin. Sabi ko naman, hindi niya pwedeng bawiin yun dahil nasabi na niya, kaya kailangan na namin puntahan. Hindi niya yung pwede bawiin. Remember, the wife is always right.
Yes, love. Yes, love.
Aww. That's the magic of marriage. The magic of
You're
marriage.
always right, love.
I always right. The wife is always right, and the
Yes,
husband
you're always right. Yes, love.
should always be
Yes,
follow
you're
the
always
wife.
right, love.
Oh, diba? Diba? Ganun dapat. Mas unurin dapat yung asawa kasi
Happy wife, happy life.
good. Para walang away, ganun. Para masayang buhay. Yes! Sunurin dapat ang asawa. Pag hindi sumunod yung asawa nyo, iwanan nyo na. If your husband don't follow you, leave him. Leave him in the mountain. Yun lang guys. Bye.